Hello and welcome to you all, particularly those of you who are passionate about training and sharing skills and knowledge to support the design and execution of diverse studies in biodiversity genomics. As a committee, the Training and Knowledge Transfer, or TKT coordinators, strive to maintain an overview of activities across all the ERGA committees that relate to skills and knowledge sharing. As a large network of researchers actively involved in many aspects of genomics, bioinformatics, evolutionary biology, sequencing technologies, biodiversity and conservation, algorithm development and data analysis, in fieldwork and monitoring, and many other topics, we are lucky to have a large pool of experts to call on, many of whom are already very active in the spheres of training and knowledge transfer. A great example of coming together to design a practical course aimed at ERGA members is that of the hands-on course in genome sequencing, assembly, and downstream analyses. This initiative was spearheaded by Jean-François Flot through the gathering of several ERGA members willing to invest their time and share their expertise. The course proposal was accepted by EMBO and will be held in Brussels at the beginning of September. So please email training@erga-biodiversity.eu or reach out on Keybase for further information. As a group of volunteer researchers, the TKT committee is not in a position currently to organize fully fledged workshops or courses from scratch ourselves. Rather, we aim for 2022 to continue to support and connect ERGA members developing relevant TKT activities. This includes organizing the calendar of speakers at the monthly ERGA plenaries, as well as encouraging and supporting new member-driven initiatives, either simply by providing letters of support to help secure funding or helping with design and logistics where possible. Finally, we also look forward to working more closely with established resources, such as the Elixir training platform, to help facilitate and promote TKT activities across ERGA. So if you have any plans for developing training and knowledge transfer events, then please do not hesitate to reach out to us for any assistance we can offer. Thank you.